Do you know the reasons why 90% of beginners merge out of trading? I know the reasons that will make you continue and grow. Friends, this is the Max Bot channel. I will help you to improve your thinking and trading level. By the way, I am helped by a smart robot. He quickly reads the market and gives detailed reports on indicators, gives recommendations. Get it for free right now, the link below the video. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages, he will tell you everything. In a month you will be able to get it only for a fee, so hurry up. Now I want to make 4 trades using the recommendations from the bot for the 5-minute time frame. I will enter trades on the 2-minute expiry time, taking into account information on longer stretches. At the end of the work, I will summarize the results. So, the Australian dollar and the yen. I received a forecast of active selling. I entered into a bullish trade because I want to catch the local upward momentum before the price hits the resistance zone and bounces back. On a 2-minute time frame, I believe this is a realistic scenario. Guys, this channel will have a lot of useful information for you. To make sure you don't miss any new useful content, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon. Like and comment, I really appreciate it, it motivates me to keep working. By the way, I am currently preparing a high-quality course on technical analysis for you, which will be available to all partners. To become a partner, send me a private message via the link in the description. In this course, I will talk about the secret aspects of technical analysis, important points, and how to use them in practice. The course is completely free. Trading isn't magic, it's mastery. Let's get one thing clear. If you're struggling in trading right now, you're not broken. You're building. You're not behind, you're becoming. We all start somewhere. Nobody is born with a MetaTrader account in one hand and a profitable strategy in the other. Elon Musk didn't launch rockets from his garage. Cristiano Ronaldo wasn't born scoring hat tricks. Oprah didn't start on primetime TV. They learned, they failed, they repeated, and eventually, they won. Trading is no different. Money management is your armor. Let's talk about the number 1 reason traders fail: poor money management. You can have the best strategy in the world, the best entries, the cleanest charts, but if you risk too much, one bad trade wipes it all. Here's the rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. It's not glamorous, but it's what keeps you alive. $100 deposit? Trade $1 to 2. $1,000 deposit? Trade $10 to 20. Sound boring? So is wearing a seatbelt. But it saves your life. Here's the truth. The larger your deposit, the larger your potential return, assuming you follow the rules. $100 to $1 trade equals 80 cents profit. $1,000 to $10 trade equals $8 profit. Same trade, same analysis, just more output. But don't confuse size with recklessness. The pros scale up, but they don't break their rules. So if you're ready to commit, add to your deposit responsibly. Just remember, discipline over ego. Always, the market speaks, your job is to listen. Start with support and resistance, where the market breathes. Trend lines, directional flow of momentum. Candlesticks, the emotional fingerprint of traders. RSI, MACD, overbought or oversold. Calm or chaos? It's not rocket science. It's habit. Watch the charts long enough and they start to make sense. Like lyrics to your favorite song, it all clicks. Meanwhile, after the first successful trade, I entered into a new one. I saw the same logic again. Bulls within a 2-minute time frame should take advantage of the oversold situation by raising the price slightly. After that, within a 5-minute time frame, it will fall again. Friends, follow the link in the description and get a promo code for a 100% deposit bonus with the bot. For example, if you deposit $50, you will receive an additional $50 bonus. Or, for example, if you deposit $300, you will have $600 in your account. The promo code works for the first deposit. We help with training. To discuss training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. So, once again, I made the right move and made money. I entered a new trade. The bot showed me that the sellers continue to be strong. I see that on the 2-minute time frame several factors are also stacked in their favor. Overbought, high volumes, downward corridor line. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. My AI-powered trading assistant tracks patterns, analyzes price movement, and helps you make smarter decisions. Think of it as your co-pilot. And right now, it's completely free, but only for this month. After that, it'll be paid access only. So if you're watching this today, grab it via the link in the description. Smarter analysis, more clarity, better trades. I'm not talking fantasy. I'm talking facts. I know people, regular people, who left their jobs, focused on trading, and now live on their own terms. They didn't hit a lucky trade. They didn't follow hype. They followed structure. And now, they work mornings. They travel. They earn from skill, not from selling hope. You want that life? Then treat trading like it's worth it. Because it is. Starting a business? Risk. Going freelance? Risk. Falling in love? Absolutely risk. But we do those things anyway, because the reward is worth the challenge. Trading is no different. It's risk, but it's calculated, managed, structured risk. Your strategy is your map. Your discipline is your steering wheel. Your money management is your seatbelt. Want to improve faster? Try this. Keep a trade journal. Note your entry, exit, why you entered, what you felt. Review weekly. Patterns will show themselves. Don't overtrade. One good setup is better than 5 bad ones. Trade quality, not quantity. Learn from losses. If you lose but learn, you've still gained. Tell me in the comments. What's your go-to indicator combo? How do you stick to your 1% rule? Or what strategy helped you grow? Let's learn from each other. And hey, if this message resonates, drop a like. It tells the algorithm, and it tells me, that this content matters. In the meantime, I'm keeping my eye on the final deal. I saw in the report from the robot that 10 indicators are screaming bearish strength on the 5-minute time frame. For a 2-minute trade in this situation, the conditions are similar. Price has pushed off the resistance zone and this momentum should help me. Let's address a hot topic. What's better? Pure mechanical systems or gut instinct? Truth is, both have their place. Algorithms give you consistency, structure, and emotionless execution. They're great for pattern-based, high-frequency or scalping strategies. Intuition, on the other hand, comes from experience. It lets you feel market tone, spot weird behavior, or know when to sit out. The winning formula? Let algorithms handle structure. Let intuition filter the noise. It's not versus, it's synergy. The future belongs to those who stay. You're not just learning a skill. You're building a life on your own terms. But that takes more than dreams. It takes action. So here's what I want you to do. Respect the 1 to 2% rule. Build your deposit if you can. Track your trades. Learn the chart. So, I've completed 4 trades in the plus side. The total profit is $4,992. You've seen it work. Take the bot for free. Pick up our free course and join my Telegram channel with important information links in the description. See you here.